Hello friends, the exciting day has finally come. Today we are going to be finishing our Mario Paint Music Composer Rhythm Ostinato composition. So, last class we went onto these slides, some of us, most of us, and we dragged the rhythm down in order to show a repeating rhythm. And we spent lots of time practicing putting these rhythms into the composer. For our project, the requirement, number one, is that the song is full length. So you see all this space that I have to write. I want to make sure that my song takes up all that space. It is very awesome if you can make some different sections that change from one section to the next. And the number one most important thing is that my song has a repeating rhythm. That is the important part of the project because rhythm ostinato means repeating rhythm. So I'm going to show you very simply how we can accomplish that. I'm going to come down here to the bottom lines and I'm going to use my beach ball and my muffin man, and I am going to put my beach ball on 2 and 4, and alright, so I'll just create a simple pattern like this. Okay. And what I can do now is, this makes it very easy. All you do is I'm going to go to this box tool. I can click and drag to highlight. I can copy. And then it's going to give me a custom tool. So all I need to do now is I can just go to the next measure and put it in. And I want to make sure that my pattern is repeating after every dark black line. So see how my pattern fits in the space in between two dark lines every single time? And all I'm going to do is just literally put this in every measure. If you want to go a little bit faster, what you can do is you can stop. You can go back to the box. And instead of copying 1, you can copy 2. And now you get a bigger thing. And you can just stamp in 2 at a time. Just like this. And that is it. All you need to do is go back to something different and it will reset your cursor so that you have a clean slate. This is the most important core part of the project, that you have a consistent repeating pattern going through the whole song. At this point, I can start to get creative and I can have fun. You can put whatever you want at this point, literally whatever you want. As long as you have something that repeats and that is clear, you have completed the project. You're going to get a full grade. Make sure that you have something that's repeating. It's the same every time. It just keeps repeating, and it goes through the entire song. And then fill up the rest of the song with whatever you want. That is the project, and of course, I'll answer any questions in class right now.